The federal direct student loan is a loan for students to take out on their own, where the student is the only borrower. They do not need a cosigner, so it's a good way for students to help contribute towards the college bill and take out a small amount of loans in their own name. There is no credit check on this loan. The rates are fixed for the life of the loan. Currently, for the academic year 24-25, the interest rate is 6.53% fixed. That interest rate will change each year on July 1st and is usually announced in May. So for the upcoming academic year of 25-26, we'll find out in May when what that rate will be. You can see in the chart here that there are limits on what a student can borrow each year. So for example, a freshman or a first-year student can borrow up to $5,500 on this loan. A portion of that loan could be subsidized if the family qualifies for that subsidy, meaning interest won't accrue on that loan until after the student leaves school or graduates. The remaining portion of the loan, or potentially the entire loan, could be unsubsidized, meaning interest will accrue on that portion. For a freshman year loan of $5,500, up to $3,500 of that loan could be subsidized if the family qualifies, and the remaining portion of $2,000 or even up to the full $5,500 will be unsubsidized. Keep in mind there are origination fees that are deducted from federal loans, including a 1.057% fee that is deducted from the federal direct student loan. When the student graduates or leaves schools, they will have lots of repayment options to choose from, and they do not need to make payments of principal and interest while the student is in school. However, on that unsubsidized loan portion, students are encouraged to voluntarily make payments towards that interest so that when they graduate, they will only have to pay back what they borrowed, not any accrued interest. Students will have to sign a promissory note online and go through entrance counseling before they take out the loan so that they understand their rights and responsibilities as a federal student loan borrower.